Today is a special day because I want to show you the full house tour of this house. So first thing first, please like this video and make sure to watch till the end because I'm going to show you so many things that you haven't seen. All right, without wasting any moment, let's get into the house. So this is the house. This is the front. We have beautiful flowers right there. Yeah, so you have seen them on the previous vlog. So this is how it looks from the front. Let's get in. So here you will be welcomed with beautiful flowers right there, and this is our porch. We have a dining table. Since our house is not that big, we decided to put our dining table right there. And this is how it looks. We have two chairs here for the visitors, okay, and we have bananas there. So right here I haven't found a good curtain, so I'm going to fix that later. We have this wall art right there, beautiful one, and then that's our dining. That's how it looks. And these are the corners of this house. For those who don't know, this house was built by my husband. He builds iron sheets house, and also everything concerning construction, he does that. We have beautiful snake plants right there, very fresh, and this is water to drink. Okay, so that's the porch, and ta-da! This is our living room area. All right, this is how it looks from far. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's not that big. It's 12 by 12 foot. Yeah, this is how it looks. As you can see from the TV wall, we had another contact paper wallpaper, but I removed it and fixed the contact paper. As you can see, we have beautiful bulb there, and we also have snake plant. These were outside, but I decided to bring the two of them here. All right, so I think you have seen every corner. Yeah, every corner. This is how it looks. We have this couch right here. It's very big enough for like 4 people, and also we have that leather one there. All right, so there we have Alvin's pencils, colors, and everything. So that's our living room area. This is how it is. This is how I transformed it the other day, and that's how it looks. That's our carpet. I've added another carpet here since the other one is worn out. So that's how it looks from down. So this house is a 2-bedroom house. It's a 2-bedroom house. So we are going to the next one. Let me just close this one. All right, so we are going to the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. You have seen me several times here. We have a carpet right here, and a dustbin, and my pots, my plates, everything there. I have arranged them there. And on this side, you have seen me transforming this area the last day. So this is how it looks. Yeah, every corner of this kitchen you have seen it so far. So if you haven't watched the other vlogs that have been here on this kitchen, you can go and watch. Yeah, that is our shopping and our pots right there. And maybe here I do put eggs when we have them, but for now it's empty. It's empty. So that's our kitchen. That's how it is. All right, so let's go to the other room. We are going to the kids room, and this is my fridge. I won't open it today, okay? This is the kids' bedroom. We have 2 beds And this is the floor. We have put this carpet here. So Alvin sleeps here when Olivia she's not around. That's the net because of mosquitoes. We have many mosquitoes here. And that is the curtain. Although there, I think when my husband comes, we are going to fix that because it's not looking good. We have good morning there. All right. Yeah. And also this is the closet. We have clothes for Olivia. That's our doll. And that's Alvin. Is it a camel or what? I don't know. So this is how it looks. And the shoes. We have shoes here. Yeah. So these are the shoes, the books, and some clothes there. And that's how it is. This was made by my husband. So if you need something like this, he does that. And also we have a wardrobe here. I won't open today. I'll open some other day because you have seen what you are supposed to see today. Okay, so that's the bedroom. It's not that big. Yeah, it's not that big enough, but it fits everything well. All right, so can we go to the other side? This is the house from this corner. Yeah, from this corner. That's how it looks. So we have kids' bedroom, we have kitchen there, we have living room there. Now we are here. So here we have this table right here with a sink and a drawer to keep some things, and a big huge mirror right there. And here we have the toothbrushes, toothpaste, and hand wash. This one I bought it at Miadak. It's not that bad. And we also have another soap here for maybe doing some other things. And these are my things. We have gel there. And these are solar. We use Sun King as an alternative of electricity when electricity is not there. So that's what we use. And the battery is full charged. And that solar is very nice. Very, very nice. So that's how it looks. Yeah, so the other thing is the toilet stroke bathroom, a very small one, but it fits us well. So we have this stand, we have soap there, we have tissues, everything you can see for yourself. And we also have these things, power pockets refreshener for the room, and it smells so nice. So that's the bathroom stroke toilet. All these were made by Mr. my husband. All right, so we did this. And the contact paper, the wallpaper, I did it myself. I do that, by the way. Look how neat it is. And I mixed the colors very, very well. And you see for yourself. Tell me on the comments section what do you think. Yeah, so this is the work of us. We are going to the to our bedroom, our master bedroom, and this is how it looks. You have seen me here, and this is how it looks from down here up to there. We have two drawers, that one and that one, and a very big bed for me and Mr. Man. And we have a very good note there. Family is where life begins, and love never ends. We also have beautiful bulbs there, and the other one there, and that is the curtain. And we have beautiful bulb right here too. Yeah, everything here we made it ourselves. and we thank God for the good hands that we have. So we also have a wardrobe. This is my wardrobe. I do put my clothes and my husband's clothes right there. So that's how it looks. And this is the view from our window. We have a school there. And you see? We are next to a school. That's our view. Alright, so on the next one we have a mirror, and this is my dressing table. I don't do makeup, by the way, but I just sit here and admire myself. I sit here and admire myself. So this is the mirror. We have another one here for mosque, for insect. It traps insects, so sometimes we switch it on so that we can trap mosquitoes. So these are my sugar dish, but I decided to put it here because they don't have lids. I'll see what to do with them. Maybe plant some flowers. And these are our perfumes and everything else. You can see for yourself. And this drawer has a drawer right there. So that's all. That's all for this house. This is how it looks. Everything, I think you have seen every corner. Yeah, I think now you have seen every corner. This is the bedroom and the washroom there, kids bedroom, kitchen, and the living room. All right, so guys, I hope you have seen every corner of this house, and I'm grateful that you have watched from start till here. Tell me on the comment section what you think, feedback, and I'll be there reading all your comments. All right, so until next time, it's a bye bye from me. If you want such kind of house, my husband builds this type of houses, so you can contact him on the number that I'm going to share there on your screen, and he's going to help you to build something. For those who are new here, this house wasn't like that. We got inside when it was not partitioned, but after like 1 year we decided to start fixing everything ourselves. We built this house ourselves, me and my husband, and we did all the interior and everything. Okay, so no one was called here to do anything. We did it ourselves. Okay, we didn't have experience back then, but right now we are very specific in what we want, and we thank God that we are here and the house is finished. Okay, so bye bye, see you on the next video. May God bless you all. Bye. Lord, you turn my pain into purpose, turn my scars